Hey.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
How's it going, everybody? Nice to meet you guys too. Can you give him a handshake?
Oh, yes I can.
Is that what we do in 2020?
No, it's more like a, oh bro, what up?
What up?
Bring it in,
What up,
homie.
brah?
Yeah, like,
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to YouTube.
Where videos are made.
Taking a break from TikTok, and now we're doing YouTube videos,
Yeah.
okay? We just filmed a whole bunch of TikToks, and you know, now we're doing YouTube.
Yes,
Because
we are.
YouTube pays the bills and TikTok doesn't.
Oh yeah, YouTube's where it's at.
Alright, so today we have a crazy video that we want to share with you guys. I had Kaylin drive all the way from Utah just to film this for you guys, so how was the drive last night?
You know, good.
It was like 16 hours straight, right?
It was like, okay, so 5 plus 6. We always take a little stop.
Oh, you do
you
take
know,
stops?
in Vegas.
Yeah.
Spend a little night. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. It was 11.
11 hours, guys. So
Here I am.
Yeah, and we were FaceTiming throughout the whole time just preparing for this video. So
just to tell you this story.
11 hours worth of work just to prepare for this. So you guys are in for a special treat.
Oh, you're in.
So give the video a thumbs up for our dedication. We're working so hard for you guys. But yeah, this is Kaylin. She's coming on the channel. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Kaylin Shadle. Like he said, I'm from Utah, where it is a blizzard right now. But here I am.
Okay, no one cares about your stupid story, guys. Get the merch. It's on sale, 30% off.
Pretty cute stuff.
No, just kidding.
But they do care. They do care. I know you guys do. In the comments, you know, tell
Sorry,
us
I have
care.
like ADHD and I just like, I remember that we're wearing the merch.
Yeah.
So get
we're
the
matching.
merch. 30% off, guys.
And
Okay.
it took a little crappy, like, what?
Yeah, guys,
stuff.
look my little, oh wait, I don't have a crop top. Okay, I don't.
Long shirts for dudes, unless you're about that, you know.
Hey, we don't
Dudes
judge.
get the crappy too.
We don't judge.
Whatever you want.
What is gender? What? Okay, I shouldn't have said that. I'm gonna get offend some people. Okay, what were you saying? Fun fact?
Fun fact about me is it is like 10 degrees in Utah and it is a blizzard. And here I am in LA where it is warm and I can wear a crop top and a short sleeve.
Yeah.
And so can you.
What is it? January 2nd, 3rd, 5th?
It is January 3rd.
3rd, okay.
2020, new decade, 3 days in.
What are your goals for the decade, guys? Let us know in the comment section down below. Okay, let's get started with the video. Okay, your Uber driver's car broke down in the middle of a ride.
Yeah.
What?
It did.
What?
Well,
What? Sort of.
it sort of broke down. It was gonna break down.
Okay, let's rewind. That's what happened. You guys already saw the title, so you did know what happened. But what was going on that day?
Okay.
Why were you using Uber?
I think I had an audition. Not really sure what for.
Was
but
it a
I
Lyft
knew
or an Uber?
It was an Uber.
Okay, because screw Lyft, right?
Yeah, thumb down.
No, I'm just
thumb
kidding.
down if you're just
Lyft
kidding.
is great too.
Lyft is great.
Hey, I'm a Lyft driver. Don't fire me, Lyft.
Yeah, they're great.
I
No.
need my job, okay?
Both are phenomenal.
I have to pay rent.
Besides when their car breaks down. Okay, anyways, it was a sunny, gorgeous day in Burbank, California is
So
where
you
I
were
was.
auditioning for Baywatch, the movie, right?
Exactly.
And you were wearing that crop
I
top,
was
too,
wearing this crop top. Yeah. I wear this crop top every day.
to all your auditions.
To all my auditions. It's my lucky t-shirt. Anyways, sunny day in Burbank, California.
Okay, really quick, is it better with rolled sleeves or is that weird? On me.
Well, no, I kind of want to try it too.
Because the sleeves are kind of long, so I was just like...
No, unroll it.
Unroll it?
Yeah. Unless you're like going to the skate park or something, then maybe roll it up.
Well, I'm a skater.
Well, are you at a skate park?
Yeah. My back here is
Then
a
you
skate
roll
park.
it on. You roll it on up.
That's a ramp right there. Man.
Oh, got you. I was curious of what that was.
So leave them down? Alright, fair enough.
Yeah.
I don't know these things.
But
I'm a
yeah,
guy, I
if
don't
you're a
know
skater,
that.
you roll it on up. Roll up the pants, roll up the shirt, you roll up whatever you can roll up. Anyways.
Sorry, I cut you off again.
You know, it's fine. I'm getting used to it. Just kidding. So Burbank, California. I was on my way to an audition. So it was kind of a time crunch, but you know, I was leaving good half hour early to just really, you know, give myself enough time.
Wow. good
Anyways, yeah, but still, like, you want to be early to those kind of things. So I was like, hey, like, get me to my spot, Uber, you know?
Wait,
like,
okay,
let's do it.
really quick, I'm cutting you off again.
Surprise!
Do you want Instagram followers or no?
I would enjoy some Instagram
Should
followers.
I leave your Instagram down below or no? Do you want more Uber driver DMs?
Yes!
That's the real question.
Yes. So for that and for that only, follow me at Kaylin Shadle.
Oh.
KYLINSHADLE.
We'll leave it in the description.
Okay, okay, sorry, a little detour. Hey, I can take detours too. Anyways.
I know, I like hate when people cut me off, but I cut people off all the time.
You know, it's okay as long as it's mutual.
That's why I'm single. Okay, go.
Ooh.
I'm not salty about it.
Anyways, so I decided to get pulled because I was leaving 30 minutes early. Because, you know, like, why not save a couple bucks and leave early?
Yeah.
So I did. And this lady picks me up, and of course I had to walk, because it was Uber Pole Express, where you have to just like
Wait,
march
she was
your
a
own
lady?
way. It was a lady.
So you assumed her gender?
I might have assumed her gender. It was a lady figure. I don't know what she goes by, but
It was a thing.
It was a lady. Just kidding. She was fully a lady. She's stunning, gorgeous. Anyways, so I, you know, hopped on in her car, and we picked up another dude. And, you know,
wow, just assumed another gender right there. You're offending so many people.
Picked up another human being. Another
Great, that's
being
better.
of light is what we picked up. Anyways, picked him on.
You picked up a soul.
Picked up a soul with feelings and guts and all that goods. Picked up a person.
And guts.
And
They
they got it all in there. Picked up another person. And so we're driving. And, you know, we're chilling, and she didn't speak, like, the perfect English, and I wish I spoke Spanish, but I did not. And, I could hear her, like, mumbling to herself in Spanish, like, like, something was wrong.
Yeah.
And I'm just, like, trying to mind my own business, like, maybe she's having a tough day, like, stay on her phone, and she wasn't chatting much. And all of a sudden, I see a light, on her, what's that called?
Her phone?
No, a little light gauge. What's that thing on the dashboard? Is that right?
Oh, the dash.
The dashboard.
Yeah.
I am a car professional.
Yeah, apparently.
So I saw a light on the dashboard, and, you know, I don't know much about
you do
lights.
drive a Maserati, so.
I do, and I got, you know, my Tesla, my Camaro on the back. Anyways.
Well, those are just fun cars. You saw a light on the dash?
I saw a light on the dashboard, and I don't know much about lights, but I know that that is bad. Usually I'm like, ooh, spirit light, oops, better go to the shop.
Like, you don't know much about lights in general? Or just car lights?
Just car dashboard lights.
You're like, I don't know how to turn on my lamp,
I will clarify.
My house is always dark because I don't even know how to turn them on.
I don't know much about car dashboard lights.
There you go.
Anyways, so I was like, shoot, I think this girl's got an issue. And the guy's like next to me, and he's like minding his own business, and we kind of look at each other, you know, make the like, oh shoot, this chick's got an issue. And we're driving on the freeway, and I could feel the car like just like not performing. Like the acceleration was off, something
Which
was
is
off.
just that's just the thing you want to
And she didn't speak very good English either, so I'm like, lady, like, are we okay? Are we gonna make it? I got places to be, like, I have to attend this, I can't die today, like, it's just not gonna happen. And she's like,
I mean, you could show up to your audition if you're, like, bleeding. Was it for, like, Walking Dead? Like, oh, it was for Baywatch, never mind.
Unknown, yeah, we already determined that.
Sorry.
Anyways, so I was like, okay, lady, you need to pull over your car, I don't want to die. And he's like, this dude's like, pull over your car, and she's like, I'm just gonna finish this trip. The car's like jerking. I was like, get off the freeway. Like, if you're not gonna, like, if you want to finish this trip, at least get off the freeway, because then if we, like, you know, don't make, yeah, in the middle of the freeway. And she's like, oh, just in herself in Spanish. And me and him are like, both like, girl, pull over. Like, it's not worth it. And so we're both Googling car shops on the way.
Oh my
Just
God.
trying to convince her, like, there's this car shop, there's this car shop. And she's like, maybe I should pull over. As the car's like, I was like, oh, yikes. Yikes. And she's like, she's trying to ask this guy, like, is it bad? He's like, yes, it's bad. Lights shouldn't be on, it's bad. The car shouldn't be driving like this.
Yeah.
Are you sure? And like, yeah. He's like, yes, I'm sure. And I'm just like, agreeing with everything he's saying. Yeah, he's right. And so, anyways, we start, you know, it starts getting bad, and it's like bumpy. And finally we convince her to get off the exit, and we find a gas station, not a car shop. There's car shops all around, but this lady's like, I'm going into the gas station. I'm like, okay, you're getting a snack? Like, what are you gonna do? It's not solving the issue.
Maybe pour some Mountain Dew in her exhaust.
I don't know what she was thinking. She was hungry, lunch break, I don't know, but I was like, I got places to be.
Pizza.
This dude's like, I have places to be. We're both like, we have places to be. We like can't help you. And so before she goes in the gas station, we're like, can you cancel this? And she's like, no need. I'm like, no, there is a need. Cancel the Uber. Like, I have to get places. I need to call another one, and I'm not paying for this. And she's like, no, just be back.
No need.
And so, oh my gosh. So she goes to the gas station and she brings out a gas station worker.
Oh my
I'm like,
God.
what is he supposed to do? And so he looks at it and he's like, yep, you need to go to, you know, a shop. And we're like,
Probably not a gas station.
all of us are like, lady, you need to go to a shop. And like, a gas station's not a shop.
Yeah.
And so she comes back out and we're like, you need to cancel the trip. Like, we gotta go. And she's like, nah, I'm gonna complete it. I'm like,
we'll push the car the rest of the way.
no. I'm
like, you
no.
guys get out, help and push.
No, yeah, just horrible.
Like, it's good workout for you.
No, and I was not in the mood. You know, after you take so many Ubers, it's just like, get your stuff together, you know?
Yeah.
Something goes wrong, not your fault, I totally get it, but don't put a rider in danger. And so I'm kind of getting like frustrated, like, this is my life, you need to cancel it, I'm not paying for it. And he's like, you need to cancel it, I'm not paying for it too. And so she's like, finally she's like, okay, I'll cancel it. So we're waiting, and we're just like, okay, you're canceling it? And she's like, I don't think you can. I'm like, you 100% definitely can cancel it. She's like, oh, I don't know how. I'm like, well, I will figure it out. And he's like, I will figure it out too. And so she, you know, tosses us her phone and we canceled.
Oh yeah, you had to cancel it for her.
We had to literally cancel it for her. Like, tips for Uber drivers. Know the
Learn
app.
how to cancel that.
Know the app.
Yeah.
Sit down for a day and figure it out, because that is like the most annoying thing when you're in a time crunch. Your car breaks down, which is not my problem. Like, I'm sorry for her, but wasn't my problem. I have a place to be.
You got your own problems.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, I care for her deeply, honestly, but like, come on, I got a life to live.
Do you though care for her deeply?
Care for her deeply. Okay, anyways. So we finally figure out how to cancel it, and this lady's just like chilling at this gas station thinking this gas station worker like can still help her, and he's like, go to the shop, and she's like, oh, like, I don't know. And so finally we canceled it, and I started trekking, and there was no like spot. I guess I could have called another Uber X, but I was like, Uber Pool's the way to go, even though I don't know why I did that, because like after all that went wrong, I think it was like a sign from the sun telling me to get an Uber X.
Were you late for your audition?
I was very late, and I made a stop to Whole Foods because I was stressed, and I was like, I need something to...
On the way to your audition?
On the way, because there's a Whole Foods right there, and I was
Okay.
like, I don't even know where to go.
Yeah.
So I walked, and I was like, I'll call the Uber there. Walked to Whole Foods, got a Snackadoo, and then
Snackadoo.
I was on my way to my audition, and an Uber that managed to drive me there and not. So it all was fine.
Without having a seizure. It was not an old man having a seizure.
Yeah, we lived. We were okay.
You survived.
But it was annoying, and I did think I was gonna die.
How'd the audition go?
Booked it.
Did you?
You'll never know.
All right, there you go.
We'll just say I did. Ooh. See me on Baywatch 2020.
Baywatch
Just
2020. All right, I think that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for sharing your wacky story.
Yes.
Great storyteller, by the way.
Thank you.
Great details.
Appreciate it.
I love the details. The
So,
enthusiasm.
yeah.
Animation.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just barely waking up this morning, but you're just...
Woo! I'm ready. 2020 is my year. I'm like ready to run.
I'm like
drink
still
my green juice.
I'm still drinking my morning coffee like, yeah, let's film a video. You're like, woo!
Damn.
Excitement, baby.
Yeah. Let me tell my Uber story.
All right, guys, leave the video a big thumbs up. 2 thumbs up, I guess, apparently.
One
Maybe
for
4.
me and one for him.
Yeah, 1 for me. Are you... I can see you, okay?
And, you know, check the gram out.
Just because you do this, I can still... She's so weird, okay?
No.
Don't tell... You're so cool, though. Thank you. No, don't tell her, okay?
I get it now. I get it.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe now.
Thank you.
Please. Because I need it. Or else I'll or else I cry myself to sleep. I don't know what you're doing.
It's true. He does cry himself to sleep. He told me once.
Yeah, it's sad.
Yeah, so you better.
Yeah, I wake up with
thumb
like...
that up.
There's like wet spots in my bed.
Yeah, and I'm like, oh my gosh, again,
not
you're
from
crying
wet-
yourself to
It's
sleep.
not from wetting the bed. It's not from drooling.
It's because
It's
you're
my
not
tears.
thumbing it up enough. Just kidding. So make it 2020 and you give this a big fat thumbs up. Thick one.
Yeah, make your thumbs do squats.
Yeah.
So they can be thick.
We're working out all kinds of muscles this year.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.
Guys.
We'll see y'all soon. Later.